In this video, we will see how to export for PDF without errors from InDesign. In this demo, we can see the error message that we sometimes get when exporting the file in PDF format from InDesign. Let's try to fix the problem. Step 1. Try exporting the file to a different location. If you are exporting the file to a network drive, try exporting it to your desktop locally. Step 2. Select File, and then Save As. Select idml format from the drop-down list. Now we have to open the file in the project. We can use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl or Command plus O, and then select the idml file. After analyzing the work, you can try again to export a PDF. Step 3. If you have a document with multiple pages, try exporting the PDF a few pages at a time. This will let us know if a specific page is causing the export error. Step 4. We can move the pages to a new InDesign file. Start a document, and then go to Menu. Click on Windows and select Pages. It will open a panel. Click on the hamburger icon and select Move Pages. Select All Pages and move to a new document. Export the new file in PDF format. It is also recommended to check for any external plugins that are installed, which could lead to errors while exporting. Thanks for watching.